Okay, boys. We got
new exhaust for the
230.
The video you've seen was the lightest dirt bike ever because it never had exhaust.
So we're gonna open this. This is what we got. How much was this here?
$290.
It's not an FMF or nothing, but whatever.
Just the
Needs something because it's too. Okay.
Now, here's the pipe with it.
Yeah.
it's all here.
So,
The whole thing.
This
okay,
is
let's take one piece at a time, boys.
That's the piece. That looks pretty small.
Take that out. Take that out. Wait.
Oh,
That's the front.
yeah. That's where it attached to the.
That's where it goes.
See this?
That's what it will look.
Wait.
That's what it looked like when you just.
The
These.
bracket goes on.
Okay, next piece. Take this piece.
There's the
Take that out.
joiner.
The
Give me
joiner.
some space, bro.
This brand new.
It's all new.
Yeah,
And
everything.
here's the pipe part.
Oh yeah.
Oh baby.
Take that out.
Have a look. See what we
Woo!
That is nice.
That is nice.
didn't make that nice and big.
That is sick.
Look at this.
Oh, here's Riley.
Should we put it on from?
Yeah, let's put him
I'm
on.
gonna put it on right now.
Yeah. All right.
That's
Pipe.
Yeah, we're
Stripping it down. Get it
Another
ready.
nice plate.
What's this one called?
I don't know. There's no name on it.
Anyway.
Thought he was gonna get scammed with it.
Was it off eBay?
Yeah.
Well, it came from a store.
Yeah. Yeah, we're just getting the parts now. Here's our mechanic.
Let's get this done.
Man, I like put one of these on with 250.
You already got an FMF.
You got a friggin' FMF.
Get an orange one.
I'm curious what this is gonna sound like now.
Yeah.
It's pretty loud because it's just straight. Look.
Hey, once it's all on, start it. I'm just gonna take it in the road.
No,
Yeah.
we can't drive it by.
You drove it down here?
You drove down? That it wasn't too long ago either.
I want to just take it to the buckets to win.
I'll take it first.
No, you're not.
Cause I'm gonna
Jeez,
put it
I'm
on.
putting it on.
So, I don't know.
I don't want to lock it down anywhere.
No, it's actually.
No, I'm going to do something late.
You can put it on the grass.
Alright, so.
Yeah, my problem. KTM. KTM. Honda. Imagine putting a 4-stroke muffler on. No, it just came on loose.
Twist the knife.
Let me see it.
No.
It's not twisting. It's not stripping.
It must have no choice. I know you're making sure you can flatten it.
Yeah, put a flat. Yeah. Your flat screwdriver now, my son.
We're in my house.
No, it's not.
What are you doing?
You can't put a flat screwdriver in
What?
it because I cut it too far out.
You actually.
You know what I'm fucking doing.
Yeah, I do.
What am I doing? Do you know I was gonna put the voice scripts on that?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
So I did, sir.
Do you even come in the room? Yep. Not on this.
No.
This pipe looks sick.
Look at it, man.
I even took my shirt off to put it on. They went up with it.
Yeah, it's gonna work
Grind
right.
the whole thing on.
You got it off, just cut it off. See you're shining.
Shut up. Oh my fucking god. Jesus, I fucking hate you.
Look how rusty that is.
Nope.
Oh, it's gonna look beauty.
I don't know. That's gonna fucking fit.
Yeah, I don't. There's something wrong.
You sure it's for 230?
Yeah.
What year?
From 05 to
Well, we'll see now if I gonna. If it fits,
From
then
what?
I might order one.
05 to
Let's start up. We got the exhaust link here.